Hi guys, I'm going to jump back on the CT-1 Yamaha today. Get the engine in the frame, maybe the airbox hooked up, some of that, you know, little things. And I apologize. We've got a lot of wind today. I don't know how that's going to affect the video quality, but uh, just hang in there. Let's get to this thing. Let's put the engine in. I've got it sitting here, and it's now on these things. I don't know, probably anybody that's got one that's pulled the motor out knows you've got to have the foot pegs forward. You've got this the bottom bolt that drops down in here just won't go in if the footrests are in place or in the right place. That looks pretty close. Let me get a punch real quick so I can line them holes up. Usually just take a punch and you can kind of line them up. Let's see. There's that one. All right. All those guys went in. Okay, let's kind of move you a little bit here. And we can kind of work our footrest back into position. Use a plastic hammer. You like it that it fits tight, but we don't want to just destroy our paint. So it just slides back into that little slot there. kind of tough to get to. Not sure whether you can see that or not. Yeah, right here. Got it started. Just run it down here a little bit. Oops. The right socket. I can't believe I was able to tighten that up without a backup wrench. It did. Well, that one's not going to. I gotta back it up. Sometimes you get lucky, you know. Most of the time you don't. Got all new rubbers on the air box. Sometimes they kind of make getting the bolts going difficult. But I think I'm going to luck out today. And I've already cut this off. The oil tank will go right here, so that's about how that's going to run. And we've got our electrical wires that are going to go up here. They kind of go in this clamp too, so but that looks like the right routing there. Got the clutch cable already in the case here. Let's see. And I've got 2 dowel pins in the side case. Of course, I'll probably have to take this off to get the chain back on it. But we're a long way from that. screw up front. Try to use that to kind of get everything going, hold our gasket for us. That's a short one there. Those gaskets are just so fragile. You got to be careful with them. And remember your JIS screwdriver, guys. Make these, you want these screws to look good for a long time and do their job. So that's kind of what you got to do. Let's see, got to be one of them. There. There. And a long one in the top. I was going to share with y'all too where to get JIS screws and bolts for that matter. I will get you that information here. I know I get kind of tired of paying $10 a piece for screws, so I buy mine from a place called River City Fastener and Supply out of Minnesota. I'm not affiliated with them or anything. They're just a good supplier for this kind of stuff, and it's all this one here is I can't get from them. I get these from Kawasaki. These from Yamaha are almost $10. These from Kawasaki, the exact same thing, are about $3. It's a 65 millimeter. It's just kind of tough to find. But the rest of them I get from them, and they're very good quality. Again, I'm not associated with them or anything. They just are a good place to get screws from and other hardware. And let's get our shifter up here. That looks about right. Side cover's on. We've got a clamp here that goes on the air cleaner boot. I'm just putting it up there so that hopefully it'll all stay. Got the one around these like a spring to hold it on here at the air cleaner box, and then a regular clamp at the carburetor. I'll probably be getting with the carburetor pretty soon and going through it. Let's get our pipe up. Already got the packing in there. Back here at the back mount, we've got a nut here that goes on to the bolt, and between these two will be the luggage rack. So then you've got your rubber and two special washers there. And they honestly don't call for a washer here, but I like one there because it uses an acorn nut, and it just will really tear up the finish. So I put a washer on it. Then we load our springs here. There we go. So there we go. We've got a little done today. We've got the air box on, got the engine in and tightened up, got the exhaust pipe on. A lot of this will have to come off again like the pipe, but for right now, it's we're just making sure everything fits. We've got our clutch cable on. So it's starting to look like a bike again. You have it, guys. It's we got the engine in, and it's starting to look like a motorcycle again. I know this one's kind of short and sweet and to the point, and there's not a lot to it, just a lot of bolts and screws. But it all's part of the deal. So hey, thanks for going along on the ride. See you next video.